In this video, I'm going to teach you how to shave your face. Step 1 is to immerse your face in warm water, or I prefer to shave right after I get out of a hot shower when your skin is soft, moisturized, and the hair is soft. This preparatory measure is crucial in this art of facial deforestation. Next, use a reputable shaving cream, my favorite is Barbasol, and lather your face with it. If you try to shave without softening your skin first with a hot shower or with hot water, it'll be like shaving with a cheese grater. Next, choose your razor. Always make sure the blades are sharp and not dull. My favorite is the Gillette Mach 3. I feel like it's the best razor ever invented. You can find razors with 4 blades, 5 blades. You can find razors with 1 blade or 2 blades. I think the balance with the 3 blade is perfection, and that is why I use the Gillette Mach 3. Now with a steady hand and methodical precision, glide that razor over your face, shaving off the whiskers. Rinse the razor off in the sink along the way. Some people will tell you to shave with the grain of your face, with the grain of the whiskers. Others will say go against the grain. I would say do whatever suits your fancy. This is how I've shaved my entire life. I go in both directions. Slowly and surely work your way from one side of your face to the other. Make sure you hit the chin. Make sure you hit the mustache. And lastly, wash your face afterwards. Dry it with a towel and observe your countenance.